Hello, and welcome back to TechieFX TV. I've seen so many peoples who have given up to Ubuntu to no sound error. I am going to fix it live, just for those who still have had no sound error or sound-related error in the Ubuntu system. You can do pretty the same by running some commands. I've shared in the GitHub repository, link will be there in the description. If you are a beginner, I would suggest you make the changes using the Ubuntu terminal. However, I made it more simple and quick to get Ubuntu sound 200% working. No longer trouble with no sound error in Ubuntu. Before we move further, I would request you to please subscribe to our channel if my application fixes no sound error in your Ubuntu machine. The first, clone a Git repository from the link I've provided in the description. Follow me along. I'm recording this video live. Let me play a piece of royalty-free music for you. Once no sound error is going to fix, you will be able to listen to the music clearly. Once repositories get downloaded in your system or folder, get into the folder like I'm doing. Now run change mode command to provide the execution permissions to the files. Now run the bash file, like I am doing. You can see some options like remove pulse audio, install pulse audio, force reload, and etc. Run them one by one. After getting to step 5, most probably sound will start working. Anyway, we have to follow all the steps. Follow me. Press 1, and hit enter if you have pulse audio installed in your Ubuntu machine, or press 2 to install it. Press 3 to reload the sound supported default driver. Press 4 and hit enter to update and upgrade the system to make everything working perfectly. It can take some time. Pause the video and wait until it gets finished. Press 5, read the instructions. Make sure you should exit the Alsamix or using the escape button on the top left side of your keyboard. Close the text prompt. Press 12 times right arrow button in your keyboard to reach on the option, auto mute. Make sure it should be disabled. You can make the changes by pressing down arrow key. Now, press F6 and select default sound card and hit enter. Sound is working, but it has still some disturbance. Let us fix it quickly. Press 6 and clear screen. Press 7 and install PV Control. Now open PV Control by pressing 8 and hit enter. Here, look at some settings I've in my Ubuntu. Cross-check them or change them according to your needs. playback, where you can enhance the sound up to 200%. The recording will show you all the applications currently recording the sound. Output device will show you the output sound controls. Now check the input devices and click on mute audio. All sorted. Now you can enjoy the pure sound inside your Ubuntu. Please like and subscribe if it worked on your system. If you still have some error, let me know in the comment box.